Hello everyone, and welcome back to our live trading series. Over the past few videos, we've been sharing the dual momentum strategy from the expansion entry scalping solution. In the previous session, we explained the role of each indicator, how they work together, and why this setup can help traders identify higher quality momentum entries. If you haven't watched that video yet, we highly recommend checking it out first to better understand the logic behind the system. However, if you're mainly interested in one question, does this setup actually work in live market conditions? Then today's video is for you. Instead of spending more time on theory, we're going straight into real trades. We'll look at how the signals appear, how trading decisions are made, and how the market responds after each entry. So with that said, let's jump right into the session. In today's live session, we took a total of 20 trades, with 15 of them ending in profit. If you're not familiar with this strategy yet, here's a quick overview. Dual momentum is built around a simple idea. Instead of only identifying market direction, we focus on finding moments when the market has enough strength to continue moving. Many trading signals can appear during consolidation or when momentum is already fading. With dual momentum, we use two separate layers of momentum confirmation to evaluate both overall market strength and the strength of the signal candle itself. This helps filter out weaker setups and focus on situations where price has a much higher probability of continuing in the direction of the trade. Because every signal is confirmed by two momentum layers, trades often have stronger follow-through. That's why this strategy uses wider stop losses and profit targets than our typical scalping setups. If you've watched our previous live trading videos, you've probably noticed that most of our scalping strategies use relatively tight targets. With dual momentum, however, we intentionally give the market more room to develop. Of course, this is still a scalping strategy, so trade management remains important. Once a position reaches a certain profit level, we begin trailing the stop to protect gains and reduce risk if the market suddenly reverses. If you enjoy this type of strategy, leave a comment below. We read every piece of feedback from the community. If there's a combination of indicators you'd like us to test, or an idea you'd like us to validate in a future live session, let us know. Now, let's take a closer look at how those 20 trades unfolded in live market conditions. At this point, we experienced a connection issue, which prevented the system from managing the trade as intended. Fortunately, the market continued moving in our favor, and the trade still ended in profit.
Join the ninZaFamily forum to stay connected, ask questions, and explore ideas with our team and other traders. There's a lot more waiting for you inside. Links in the description. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.